This is a 2014 Schwing SP750-15, serial number 1140. We're gonna go over some of the things we're gonna do to the machine before it's delivered. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is gonna be the jack. As you guys can see, is gone. So this jack is just garbage right now. There's nothing to it. It actually destroyed one of our towers when it fell off. So we're gonna replace that jack, and we're gonna go and replace the whole wiring harness, the whole thing inside of the frame. Everything is gonna be replaced. This jack, this lunette seems pretty good, so we won't have to replace it. After that, then we go into the hoses, whatever hoses that are bad, we're going to replace. Then we go into the engine. We're gonna change the battery cables. All of them will be brand new. None of this stuff right here, which is about to get ripped off. We're gonna change in the engine the engine oil, the filters, the air filters, and everything that is related to this machine. You see this cover, there's supposed to be a cover on this. We'll go ahead and place it on. The machine will be completely cleaned up once it's delivered. I mean, you see it take a further view. You see the machine looks actually really good, but still we're gonna clean it. We're gonna put the original Schwing stickers. Then we move on to the let me see, I got the inspection here, I'm sorry. We're gonna move into the panel. In the panel, we're gonna refresh the whole panel, meaning we're gonna replace all the toggle switches, the inside relays, everything that needs to be replaced, along with this sticker that is just messed up. We're gonna make it brand new. It'll look beautiful. The two gauges for the accumulator and the main pressure will be replaced. The throttle cable head will be replaced. The side gauge with the temperature gauge inside will be replaced. The piston cups will be replaced, and everything that needs to be replaced here. We're going to test the hydraulic unit. We're going to test for any kind of you know, loss of pressure or spikes that are not supposed to be there. We'll take care of that. If there's something wrong with them, we'll fix them on site. Additionally, we're going to replace these fenders. The fenders are pretty messed up, so we're gonna put new ones on. We're gonna change the bearing, whether he needs it or not, we don't know. This is for safety. We're gonna change the bearings, we're gonna change the brakes, we're gonna change all of the stuff that needs to be replaced, along with the tires. So that's gonna be a given. Additionally, every machine normally comes with a little bit of water in the tank. If the fuel tank has water, normally has rust in the bottom. We're gonna cut the bottom of that. We're gonna put a new one on it, a new bottom, I mean. Let me see what else we got here on this inspection report. Give me 1 second. So, wear plate. We're gonna replace the wear plate. Now we're talking about the inside of this hopper. The inside of this hopper, the wear plate, the cutting ring, all of those things are gonna be replaced. Let me see. Kidney plate, kidney seal, agitator seals, agitator bearings. Did I mention? I think I mentioned already the piston cups. Material cylinders are actually in good shape. But if we need to replace them, if we open everything up and we find out that they're messed up, they're gone. This will be replaced or fixed. I think we can fix it, but we'll put brand new lights on this. We're gonna change the sealing ring, and we're gonna change all the seals that gotta go into this machine, so it's not leaking water. Let me see what else we got here. Operator limit switch. So what happens is when you open this up, it's supposed to shut off, and it's got this electronic shut off control. So when you open the hopper, the machine stops pumping, so it doesn't suck you into you know, somebody putting their hand or whatever. So we're gonna replace all the electronics in here, and the way and the way it works along with the machine. Let me see what else we got here. I'm sorry. Head thread cable, we already mentioned that. The bushings, we're gonna go into that. So here is a water. This thing is supposed to be a water box drain. This is not working, of course, and it's got some weird plug in the bottom. We're gonna make it, you know, with the original Schwing stuff, which is a lever, and you lift it up and it locks, and then you release it and it drops. That way you can drop all the water off of it. The E-stops that are not working, like this one, if it's not working, we'll probably not replace it. We'll cut it off, because these ones are not easy to find right now. But all the E-stops on the machine, like here and in the other side, will be replaced. Let me see what else we got here. Hydraulic tank assembly, we already mentioned that. Fuel tank installation, a lot of screws and a lot of miscellaneous. Oh, I see the hydraulic motor on this one. According to my mechanic, he thinks it's leaking. We're gonna check it. If it is leaking, we'll replace it and it'll be a brand new one. I mean, other than that, the machine looks in really, really good shape. Again, we'll wash it, we'll put new stickers on it, and we'll be delivering this one. This one, from the moment we start, it should be about 3 to 4 weeks. Thank you.